at 11:36 on, what day is today? 9 July 2023. I switched on the new recorder. I switched on the recorder on the new platform at 11:32, 4 minutes ago. I had to replace the platform entirely. The one you see now is a new one. So the white plastic board on this stick. I had to disconnect and reconnect the electrodes. This one, E1, and that one, E2. But because I didn't look at how they were connected before this assembly, I am now not sure if I reconnected them in the right order. I think so, but I need to check that. Anyway, new platform. Should be better. The old one was decomposing. And otherwise, everything is hunky-dory. Nice weather. Beautiful view of the valley. Sunday. Birds chirping. Butterflies butterflying. Wind blowing. And the cowbell in the background of the lead cow. Alright, with greetings to the lead cow, I switch off. Bye-bye.